ever wondered why some families really settle into a new city really effortlessly, while others seem to struggle to find their place? The secret lies in a relocation plan that goes beyond just finding the perfect home. It's about creating a really smooth transition, connecting you with the community and helping your family feel at home even before you arrive. Today, we're going to be diving into how our personalized relocation service turns a potentially stressful move into an exciting new chapter of your life. So when it comes to relocating to a new city, it's more than just moving into a new house. It's about building a life. And we take a holistic approach to relocation, ensuring that every detail is considered and tailored to your family's needs. Our process begins with a detailed consultation where we get to learn about your lifestyle, your children's educational needs, and your preferences for your neighborhood amenities. And this really helps us create that customized plan that makes an entire process seamless from start to finish. We believe in connecting you to more than just the right home. We connect you to your community. After we understand your needs, we introduce you to local resources and community events that really align with your interests. Rochester is vibrant and it offers everything from world-class healthcare, and we'll make sure that you're aware of all the family-friendly activities like Rochester Fest, which is a fantastic way to meet your new neighbors and experience the community spirit firsthand. Our commitment to your smooth transition does not end when we hand you the keys to your new home. We're here to offer ongoing support. So whether it's finding the right schools for your children, introducing you to social groups, or helping your spouse network in their professional field to find a job, for us, it's about ensuring that your family feels settled and integrated from day one. Let me share a story that perfectly illustrates how our approach works. We had some clients that moved into Rochester a few years ago, and one of their top things was barbecue. They wanted to know where the best barbecue restaurants were, and my husband, he happens to be a connoisseur, so we were able to connect them to a few great restaurants here, which they really enjoyed. He also was a huge fan of Dungeons and Dragons, and so we got him connected with local D&D groups here in Rochester. So these are the types of things that we can help you with so that you do feel at home right away. Our clients told us that they were so focused on their career that they hadn't thought much about how they would actually integrate into the community. And our team made the transition super easy. And they felt like they were part of Rochester before they even arrived. So this is why we do what we do. We're not just selling houses, we're helping families build new lives. Relocating can be overwhelming, and studies show that it can actually lead to feelings of isolation, especially for families. And that's why we prioritize more than just the transaction. We're focused on your family's well-being and your happiness. Our experience in relocation allows us to remove much of the stress and make the move for you an enjoyable process. So whether it's exploring potential neighborhoods together or getting your kids excited about their new school, we're here to guide you every step of the way. Choosing to work with a dedicated and knowledgeable real estate team means more than just finding a house. It means having trusted partners invested in your family's success. And we'll be here to answer those questions, provide that guidance throughout the entire relocation process, and remain a resource long after you've settled in. By partnering with us, you're not just buying a house, you're building a future here in Rochester. If you'd like to know more about relocating to Rochester, Minnesota, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any future videos, and follow us on all of our other socials. And if you liked this video, then make sure to hit the like button and click on the boxes on your screen to see our other videos too. Comment down below if you have any questions, and we'll make sure to answer every one of those. I'm Kelly Domaille with Domaille Real Estate, and we love where we live, and we want you to love where you live too. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.